Are you looking for that protein treatment for your hair? Something that will help you soften your hair, help you to add shine, and of course, help with your hair retention and put an end to breakage. This hair mask is what you need. Right here we have our avocado pear. All right, I got this smashed, and then 1 egg, and of course, we added real honey to it. Okay, original honey. Just get it all mixed together. If you have yogurt, you can add yogurt to it, or you go ahead and use this. You can as well add coconut oil or extra virgin olive oil. That's my princess. Her hair was due for washing. This is a full wash day. When you smash that avocado pear or blend it, please do well to sieve it with your wig cap or whatever that you use to avoid adding any remnants or chunks of avocado pear to your hair. If you add, no problem, but you have to take a lot of time to wash it out. So first I got her hair detangled with my finger, and of course my spray tea. You saw me use that. It contains rosemary, cloves, and all of that. I have videos on my channel on how to make this hairspray tea. So today I want to welcome everyone. Welcome to my channel, and if this is your first time, you're welcome, and to those who is returning back, thank you so much for always supporting your girl. I really appreciate you all. Please, I will appreciate you. Just go ahead and like the video, and of course, if you have not subscribed, please do well to subscribe. Please turn on the notification bell if you want to see more of these or videos on family life and parenting and stuff and marriage. You're gonna get them here on our live chats and all that. So please, well to like, do well to subscribe, do well to share out to others so that they can get value from this. So the next thing I have to do is go ahead and marinate her hair. You can call it that with the pre-pore treatment that we have. Okay, just the mixture. First, make sure you detangle your hair either with water or your spray tea. You don't want to put this on a dry hair. Okay, don't just go and put it on dry hair like that. If you want it to really soak in, get it detangled with liquid first. Okay, and this is me using my finger to also detangle. She's a little girl. I wouldn't want to keep combing, to avoid headache, and so that I'll be able to twist her hair. Today is a full hair wash day, so everything is going to be done. So I have to be as much gentle as I can with her scalp and with dragging her hair. So here we are done. Got everything soaked in. You cover it and let it sit for 45 minutes. If it's for grown up, you can carry for 1 hour. That's what I do before you wash off. Now I'm going to show also. I got this from here in Kuwait. This is from Akutmo. I just love the towel. It's very, very cozy and very nice. If you don't want to be using towel to be dragging your hair every time, I got this aloe vera gel, 100%. There's one that is 99%, some 95%, but this is 100%, and I so much love it. So this is a cap. So after washing your hair, instead of dragging with towel, I use this, and guys, I love it. I love it. I want to go back and get for myself, but this is for my princess, and it made the whole work easy for me. It took away the stress, and she was able to calm. Seeing the color, she loves it. It's beautiful. So I didn't have to drag with towel. You can put this on while your child take her bath and all of that. So this I got, just unboxing it so we can see with me. This is what you can do. You just, after wrapping your hair with it, you buckle it up with the button, and you are good to go. I love it, and it saves a lot of time without towel. All right, back. So here is after 45 minutes. You can see, look at that, guys. It really soaked in. It really penetrated, and I'm so look at that. Look at what it's giving. You can see there is a change. It's more watery now, and not just that, the color also changed. Okay, that's one of the proof that it really got to the hair. You see that when we're washing the hair. So here I have to really shampoo this hair. Get yourself a good shampoo. If you have a homemade shampoo, it will serve you. I have recipe also on this channel on how to make a shampoo at home, and more are coming up. Then I got it really washed properly, and here it is. No need for towel. Like I said, I wrapped it, and once we are out of the shower, this is what we've got. No need of dragging her hair with towel, guys. This is the benefit of using that hair drying cap. This is it, and it's so good. Look at that. Her hair is just, look at it. Oh my goodness. The color is redefined. The hair is popping health. Guys, look at my daughter's scalp. It's so clean. So all I did here now is take it section by section. That's my leave-in condition. Okay, each wash day I try as much as to use leave-in condition, condition her hair properly. Okay, and also go ahead and use your hair cream, hair butter. I have my Ayurvedic hair butter, which I will also go ahead and add to this. And of course, all of these are made by your girl. Like I said earlier, you can check my previous videos. Trust me, you're going to be getting value. Okay, and please don't forget to share out, don't forget to like, don't forget to subscribe. This is my rosemary hair butter. Oh my goodness, it is giving. When I started my hair journey, I didn't have that full hair, but with time, I had to get my full hair, and I'm enjoying it, and she as well. You can see that. At a time, her brothers used scissors to cut my daughter's hair, and I felt like, should I start all over? But trust me, if I tell you where it is, you won't believe it. The hair has grown back and even longer than other sides. So yeah, that's the importance of taking care of your hair. Like they say, growing hair is an art. Okay, and I'm loving the journey with my daughter and myself. So at this point, I had to use comb, to comb out. She's crying. She's shouting, "Ah, my hair!" You see, whenever I put comb, this young lady will shout. So this is the only time I had to put comb, because I'm going to be twisting the hair. And at this point, I twisted the big just to save the day and save the time. During the week, you can do better hairstyle. Yeah, so that's what I did here. After combing the hair, and of course I used oil. I have my homemade oil. That's what I'm going to be using while twisting the hair. After you have used all your cream products, you have to seal it in with oil, but that will be dependent on your hair texture. Okay, that's liquid, cream, oil. That is LCO method. That's what I use here. LCO method of detangling your hair. And oil is the sealant. That's the last you apply to your hair to just seal it in. So I just want to soak it in, let it get in, before I get her hair made. And that's what we are going on here with. See, at this point, my daughter's hair is so long, but shrinkage, but it's okay. Shrinkage, it doesn't mean that the hair is bad. It shows the hair is healthy. So I used to complain when I started, but now I am proud of it. That's our 4C hair type, and we are grateful to God for it. So here, voila, we are done with our day of hair wash, preparing and putting it in protective hairstyle. I thank God she was calm. Please do to like the video, subscribe and share. We'll see you in the next one. God bless you. Ciao.